In this tutorial, I will show you how you as a user can use share links to make it easier for other users to access content. The Empower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Empower and in some cases already in older Empower versions. Through the share link, users can view the content, download elements, or open the elements directly in the corresponding desktop app. A user can select up to 30 elements and/or folders at once to share via the share link. Share links can be created, shared, and viewed by all users via the link, as long as they have at least permission to read for the elements and/or folders. To create a share link, please follow these steps. Navigate to the Start group in the Empower ribbon and click on the Library button to open the library. Then navigate to the element you want to create a share link for. Then select the element and right-click on it. This will open the context menu. Select the option Copy link to clipboard and the share link for this element has been created. Now, share this link with the person or people you want to share the content with. The action in the context menu always refers to the element and/or folder to which the right click was applied. If multiple elements are selected, the action applies to all of them. If a right click in the blank space is used to open a context menu, the action will refer to the folder that you are in. To access the shared content, open the link in your browser. You have three options. To download the content, click on the download button. To open the content directly, click the Open in Desktop app button. To open a folder that has been shared with you in the Empower web app, click the Open in Library button. This is the only button available for shared folders. This will open the folder in the Empower web app. Please note, the use of share links is only possible if the Empower web app is configured and the content is also available offline. If multiple elements and/or folders have been shared with you, each element and/or folder will appear separately. The permissions that are assigned in Empower also apply to the share links. For the use of the share links, this means the following. The user can only access the shared content for which he or she has permission to read. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.